Bristol, an expanding urban metropolis situated in the heart of the southwest of the United Kingdom. A peek through the looking glass depicts a hive of activity, with an infamous maritime industry and notoriously vibrant nightlife. But what about through the eye of a bee? Globally, bee-pollinated crops contribute to over 1/3 of our total food resources, and with their production of honey, their global economic value is vital. Here in the UK, our island provides a home to over 270 species of bee, and the unique warmer climate and landscape of the southwest provides a refuge for nationally rare and threatened species. And in the centre of it all, Bristol. As its great urban expanse sprawls over the surrounding countryside, many may expect our great pollinators to suffer. But one plucky species persists. Apis mellifera, the western honeybee. Bristol, like many other large cities, has a thriving population of honeybee. Urban environments can provide an abundant diversity of floral resources. Gardeners populate green spaces in cities with an enormous variety of native and exotic flowering plants. For a bee, these natural environments provide a plethora of floral diversity, allowing them to access different types of pollen. The honeybees therefore can enjoy a much stronger diet, which greatly improves their immune system. As a former European green capital, Bristol is notorious for its green spaces, evidenced by its remarkable botanical garden possessing over 4,500 species of plants. Furthermore, colonies of honeybees look to protection from local experts of the Avon Beekeepers Association. In gardens, rooftops and balconies, the honeybees can be closely monitored, resulting in stronger, healthier hives. And these bees in turn reward their protectors with delicious honey. But it's not all so sweet for the other bee species. Honeybee bees account for only a fraction of the bee species in Bristol, and as the honeybees prosper, our wild bees face constant threat. Wild bees are defined as any bee that is not domesticated. In Europe, North America and many other parts of the world, this usually means any bee that is not Apis mellifera. Over the past 50 years, several bee species have gone extinct in the southwest, and two of the rarest bee species in Bristol, Andrena nitiduscula and Bombus ruderius, have been unsighted for 20 years. Honeybee colonies can reach 60,000 individuals. In this densely populated hive, pathogens spread like wildfire. As the drones embark on expeditions to discover new flowers, diseases can be transmitted over great distances. And as the population of honeybees in Bristol grows, through the eye of wild bees, this is a serious threat. To add smoke to the fire, car exhaust fumes rapidly degrade floral volatiles, which bees require for flower recognition, and since generally wild bees dispossess compatriots to help locate flowers, their ability to locate precious pollen is seriously threatened. In Bristol, mean nitrogen dioxide concentrations can reach 60 UGM, around 20 UGM higher than the legal limit. This air pollution is caused largely by heavy traffic and is centered around main roads, often encroaching on bee habitats. Roads can also fragment wild bee territories, but it's not just the roads. Like a tourist on the underground, bees struggle to navigate the complex maze of forever rising skyline and exponentially increasing housing estates. Whilst thousands of honeybees can survive in a single, albeit larger, nesting site, wild bees need a much greater multitude of sites to sustain a healthy population, and these can be difficult to locate in a concrete jungle. But not all hope is lost. With the recent implementation of the Clean Air Zone, efforts have been made to enable the bees to see through the smoke of exhaust emissions by reducing the amount of heavy traffic in the city centre. Wildlife stepping stones and corridors can help them traverse the urban matrix safely, and this can be enabled with the creation and maintenance of green spaces possessing both floral diversity and regenerative ability. Furthermore, this change must not be limited by a regional capacity. The bees need national coordination to link populations and enable their free movement, and with movements like the Beeline initiative connecting bee populations across the country, there is still reason to believe